How to delete payment method in Lyft. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can delete your payment method in Lyft. So you just want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete payment method in Lyft, first of all, open the Lyft app from your phone. And on the next page, you just need to tap on the three bars which is located at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the three horizontal lines icon, and once you do that, here you'll enable these menu options. Over here, you have to select the fourth option that says payment. Once you tap on the payment option, on the next page, again, you'll be able to see a list of all the payments you've added. So just select the delete button next to the payment method that you would like to delete. And from the bottom of the screen, tap on the confirmation that says delete. And once you've done so, you would have successfully deleted your payment method in Lyft. That's all it takes to delete your payment method in Lyft. We hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.